If you need to change your AnyDesk password, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update the password for unattended access, so you can secure your remote connections in just a few clicks. This is a useful step if you want to improve security, share access with a new password, or simply reset an old one that you no longer want to use. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, open AnyDesk on the computer you want to control. Make sure you're on the device where the unattended access password is currently set, because that's the machine where the change needs to happen. Once AnyDesk is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings window, you'll need to go to the Access tab. This is where AnyDesk keeps the security and permission options for remote access. Near the top of this section, you should see an option called Unlock Security Settings. Click that first. If Windows shows a user account control prompt, go ahead and accept it. This is normal, and it simply confirms that you want to make security changes on the computer. After the security settings are unlocked, scroll to the Unattended Access section. This is the area that controls the password someone can use when connecting without someone being physically present at the computer. Here, click Set Password. A small password box will appear, and this is where you'll enter your new AnyDesk password. Type in your new password carefully, then confirm it by entering it again in the second field. Make sure it's something secure, but still easy enough for you to remember. A stronger password is always better if you're using AnyDesk to access important files or work computers. Once both fields are filled in, click Apply to save the new password. That's it. Your AnyDesk password has now been changed. The next time you or anyone else tries to use unattended access, they'll need to enter the new password you just set. If you ever need to update it again, just repeat the same steps inside the access settings. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more step-by-step tech guides like this. 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.